Hi there, in this video we are exploring JavaScript objects, one of the most powerful ways to group and organize data. An object is a collection of data stored in key value pairs. Each key is called property and it holds a specific value. This is perfect for modeling real-world things like a person, product, or location. Imagine a student profile. It includes a name, age, and grade. In JavaScript, we can represent that like this. To access the name, just use student.name and it return Ali. Objects lets you bundle relative information together. They are easy to work with, update and read, whether it's a user profile or setting. Objects help you manage data efficiently.